You've chosen the GROHE Cosmopolitan E Touchless Electronic Faucet, the common-sense solution for a safer, more hygienic bathroom experience. Now, let us help you install it. This instruction video is for the following 3 GROHE Cosmopolitan E Touchless Electronic Faucet models. The 7000 model should have faucet, washer, lock nut, mounting hardware, connector hoses, battery pack, and mount. The 8000 model is the same, but with a cold connector hose only. The 9000 model includes an AC adapter, not a battery. This faucet installs easily in just 2 key steps. Step 1, installing the faucet. Step 2, installing and attaching the battery or AC power adapter. Before we get started, let's check a few things. First, you will need the following tools: a Phillips screwdriver, an adjustable crescent wrench, and eye protection. Before installation, turn off the water, remove the old faucet, and clean the surfaces thoroughly. Check the position of the faucet. The distance for the mount on a battery-powered faucet is as shown. The maximum distance for an AC-powered faucet is as shown. Step 1. Installing the faucet. Slide the washer onto the shank and insert the faucet through the sink opening. Slip the mounting hardware onto the shank with the hoses placed accordingly. Tighten the lock nut. Install the adapters to the side valves. When attaching the inlet hoses, avoid stretching and sharp bends. Connect the hoses to the adapter. Hot water on the left, cold water on the right. Open the hot and cold water supply and check that all connections are watertight. Now on to step 2, installing the battery. Install the battery mount onto the wall under the sink. Insert the battery and close the cover. Note the right position of the cover as shown. Connect the battery box with the cable connector from the faucet. Align the groove in the cable with the rib in the battery box. Mount the battery housing to the wall holder. If your faucet is powered by an AC power adapter, connect the AC power cable to the receptor coming from the faucet and the adapter to a wall outlet. That's it! Wasn't that easy? You are now ready to use your new GROHE Cosmopolitan E faucet. Place your hand near the sensor field to operate and begin experiencing the pure enjoyment of water. Cleaning mode. To turn the faucet off temporarily for cleaning, hold your finger against the sensor system until the light indicator starts flashing. Cleaning mode is active for 3 minutes. To turn it back on before the 3 minutes, place your finger against the sensor system until the light indicator stops flashing and the light is continuous. Congratulations on installing your GROHE Cosmopolitan E Touchless Electronic Faucet. To register your faucet or find information on other products, please visit our website.